Hi! In this video, I will explain you the third element of the value stream mapping, the material flow. The first question you need to answer is, how frequently and which way of shipment I deliver to my customer? Am I using a truck, airplane, or boat? The second question is, how frequently I receive the raw material and which way of shipment the supplier uses. Well, once you have the answer, you have to draw this information on the value stream map. Warning: draw only one or two main raw material and not the entire list. Okay, now it is time for another set of questions. What is the lot size of shipping to my customer? What is the lot size I receive from my supplier? How much raw material I have into the company? In general, you will have to draw all the relevant information on the map, avoiding to exaggerate. Well, now you should have the map with this three elements. 1. The customer demand. 2. The process box. 3. The material flow. In the next video, I will explain you the fourth element of the value stream, the information flow.